Here are 10 amazing foods with no carbs and sugar. For low-carb or keto diets, choosing foods without carbs or sugar is key. This list includes nutrient-rich options like meats, fish, oils, and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients without spiking blood sugar. These foods support energy, health, and weight management, while fitting perfectly into a low-carb lifestyle. Before we dive into these foods, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Number 1. Meat. Meat is a staple source of protein and fat, making it an excellent food with zero carbohydrates. It provides essential amino acids, which are important for muscle growth and repair. Beef, pork, and lamb are rich in iron, which is vital for oxygen transport in the blood. They also contain zinc, supporting immune function, and B vitamins for energy production. Grass-fed varieties offer higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Since it has no sugar or carbs, it's a perfect option for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Number 2. Poultry. Poultry is another lean, protein-packed food that is carb-free. Chicken and turkey are both rich in B vitamins like niacin and B6, which are essential for metabolism. These meats are versatile and can be cooked in various ways without adding carbohydrates. The white meat in poultry is particularly low in fat, while dark meat offers higher fat content. They're also good sources of selenium, an antioxidant that supports immune health. Poultry is often a go-to choice for those looking to maintain muscle mass without consuming extra carbs. Number 3. Fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, and trout are not only carb-free but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. These fatty fish provide high-quality protein along with important nutrients like selenium and vitamin D. Wild-caught salmon, in particular, offers higher levels of omega-3s compared to farm-raised varieties. Tuna is another popular choice, being very low in fat and calories, making it ideal for weight loss. Fish is also easy to digest, making it a great option for people with sensitive stomachs. Including fish in your diet several times a week can improve overall health without increasing carb intake. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering essential proteins, fats, and almost no carbohydrates. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. The yolk is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, along with important minerals such as choline, which is essential for brain health. Eggs are also an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health. Since they have virtually no carbs, eggs are perfect for low-carb diets and can be prepared in many different ways. Their versatility makes them a popular choice for breakfast or snacks in low-carb meal plans. Number 5. Cheese. Cheese, particularly hard varieties like cheddar or mozzarella, contains little to no carbohydrates. It's a rich source of calcium, important for bone health, as well as vitamin B12, necessary for red blood cell production. Cheese also provides a good amount of fat and protein, making it both filling and nutritious. Different varieties of cheese contain varying amounts of fat and salt, so it's important to choose wisely based on dietary goals. It can be consumed as a snack, in salads, or as part of main dishes without spiking blood sugar. For those on low-carb diets, cheese is a satisfying and versatile food choice. Number 6. Butter. Butter is pure fat with no carbohydrates or sugar, making it a staple in low-carb diets. It is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are important for various bodily functions, including immune health. Grass-fed butter, in particular, contains higher levels of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which may have anti-inflammatory properties. Butter is easily digestible and can be used in cooking or as a topping for vegetables, adding richness without any carbs. However, it should be consumed in moderation due to its high saturated fat content. It's often used in ketogenic diets to promote fat intake without increasing carbs. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats available, containing no carbs or sugar. It is high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been linked to reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Olive oil is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect cells from damage. It's widely used in Mediterranean diets, which are known for promoting longevity and reducing chronic disease risk. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed, retaining the most nutrients and flavor. It's ideal for dressings, cooking, and sautéing, adding healthy fats to meals without contributing any carbohydrates. Number 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another pure fat source, free from carbs and sugar, making it perfect for those following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily metabolized by the liver and provide a quick source of energy. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties due to its lauric acid content, which can help support the immune system. It's often used in cooking and baking as it has a high smoke point and can replace traditional vegetable oils. In addition, coconut oil is commonly used in bulletproof coffee by people following a keto diet. Its neutral taste makes it versatile, suitable for both savory and sweet dishes. Number 9. Avocados. Avocados are low in carbs and sugar, but high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. They are also a great source of fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Avocados provide important nutrients like potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, and vitamin K, essential for bone health. Despite being rich in fats, they are associated with weight management and improved cholesterol levels. Their creamy texture makes them versatile in both savory dishes like salads or toast, as well as in smoothies or dips. For those on a low-carb or keto diet, avocados are an excellent, nutrient-dense option. Finally, number 10. Non-starchy vegetables. Spinach, kale, broccoli. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are very low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for low-carb or ketogenic diets. These vegetables are packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, along with minerals like magnesium and potassium. They also contain antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Their high fiber content supports digestive health and helps with weight management. Non-starchy vegetables can be eaten raw in salads or lightly steamed to retain their nutrients. Because they are so low in carbs, they are often the foundation of low-carb meals, providing essential nutrients without affecting blood sugar levels. Incorporating these carb and sugar-free foods into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting your health goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, manage blood sugar, or simply improve overall wellness, these options offer a variety of ways to enjoy flavorful, satisfying meals without the added carbs. By focusing on protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables, you can maintain a balanced, nutritious diet that aligns with a low-carb or ketogenic lifestyle.